Hi guys, so Newton's first law states that an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted on by another force, and same thing with an object at rest. So if an object is at rest, it'll stay at rest unless acted on by an outside force. So I'm going to demonstrate Newton's first law here. So I have 3 cups. You could probably do this at home with 1 cup, a sheet of paper, or maybe an index card, and I have some quarters. You can redo this experiment in a bunch of different ways. You might even see some different ways of this on TikTok. So I'm going to put a quarter on top of the paper right where the cup is. And if Newton's first law goes as follows, we should see the coins still staying in the same place. So let's see what happens once I move my paper. And sure enough, they all ended up in the cup. Thank you. Based off of what you guys just saw, I'm gonna have you guys go through a routine right now to explain what you think happened in that experiment. So I'm gonna give you guys a question, and then based off that question, you guys are gonna share your guesses in the live chat. But when you see the question, all you're gonna do is think about it to start. Okay, so the coins did not move with the paper to the left or right, but they did fall down. Why? Just think about it for the next 30 seconds. Share in the live chat your guess to that question. So what is your answer based off of that question? So write your guess in the chat. You have 2 minutes. Okay, so we have a minute left, but I think I have enough answers. So yes, they didn't just float in the air because gravity exists, right? So gravity wants to bring me down, right? Just like what John Mayer sings. Cool. So think about it as gravity is also an external force that is acting on objects, even though the objects are technically at rest, right? So the physically at rest. But if we move the paper, they're still at rest, but there is that external force that brings them down.